Hello, this is Jim with We Develop Electrical Products. This week, the project is my brother wanted me to develop a booze machine, something that would pour his drinks for him. But he lives in a RV most of the time, and so it would be too large to develop the whole thing, so I developed this joke booze machine, and that's the project for this week. And I'll show you how this works. So this is the project. It's got a soundboard right here, just a dB mini player, a display. It has an amplifier board. There's a speaker right underneath the display here. There's a fan over here in the corner, and there's a rotary encoder and a reset switch. And then there's a volume for the amplifier for the speaker. So if I reset this,
Jay and Kimmy's booze machine.
Once this blue light goes out,
Press to select who is going to have a drink.
So the blue light's out, so I can press it.
Jay.
Once the blue light goes out, I can rotate down the menu. And I can select
Jay
from the menu. Once the blue light's out,
screwdriver.
And I can select from different types of drinks.
Bloody Mary. Coffee and Bailey's.
I will select this one by pushing the button.
Single.
I can make a single Bloody Mary.
Double. Be very careful.
Or a wow.
Easy does it, Jay. Get up and make yourself a wild coffee and Bailey's.
And it plays the song until the song is over, and then it resets. If you want to just reset it on your own, you just hit the reset button up here, and it'll go back to the beginning. So, if you like this video, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe. In the description below, I'll have a link to the schematics, the script to run this Arduino, and it's just an Arduino Mini, and or Nano, and there'll be a bill of material in the description. So have fun building this.